In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record the sale of a fixed asset in QuickBooks Online. When you sell a fixed asset, there are really two parts to the process. First, you need to record the money coming into your bank account. Then you need to remove the asset and its accumulated depreciation from your books so your financial records stay accurate. I'll walk you through both parts clearly. Start by going to the plus icon at the top left of QuickBooks Online. From there, select Bank Deposit. This is where you'll record the cash you received from the sale. Once the deposit screen opens, choose the bank account where the money was actually deposited. That part is important because you want the transaction to match the correct account in your records. Next, go down to the Add Funds to this deposit section. Under Account, select the fixed asset account connected to the item you sold. Then enter the sale price as the amount received. This step records the proceeds from the sale and ties that incoming money to the asset account instead of treating it like regular income. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. After that, you'll need to remove the asset itself along with the depreciation that has been recorded over time. To do that, click the plus icon at the top left again and select Journal Entry. This entry is what clears the asset off your balance sheet and recognizes whether you made a profit or took a loss on the sale. In the journal entry, first debit your accumulated depreciation account for the total depreciation that has been used on the asset. This removes the depreciation that has built up since the asset was purchased. Next, credit your asset account for the original purchase price of the asset. That removes the full cost of the asset from your books. Then debit your asset account again for the sale price. This should match the same amount you entered in the bank deposit. Finally, enter either a debit to a gain or loss on sale of assets account if there was a loss, or a credit to that account if there was a profit. The purpose of this final line is to balance the journal entry and properly reflect the result of the sale. Before saving, take a moment to review the amounts carefully. Small mistakes in the original cost, depreciation or sale price can affect your financial statements. Once everything is balanced and accurate, click Save and Close. And that's how to record the sale of a fixed asset in QuickBooks Online.